Okay, hello everyone, how are you doing out there? This is Commodore Gamer once again with another video. Today I'm gonna take a look at 1943 on the Commodore 64 from 1988. And this is a conversion from the arcade game that came out 1 year prior. And I have reviewed this game on the Amstrad CPC and I thought it was good actually. So let's see how this one plays. Here we go. Nice music. I must say, classic Commodore 64 music. So here we go. Let's see if I can... Ay caramba, what the hell is happening? Okay, sorry about that. Well, here we go again. So my health bar is down to the left there. And I can of course shoot at the power-ups in order to get different kind of weapons. This was not the best weapon I could find. Not the good one, this one either. I have to be better. That was better health, but yeah, I'm not so very good at the power-up system here. But it's very short, all the levels, very short in this version. So here is the second stage, I think. I'm fooling around a lot here. There you go, now I got a better weapon. So I can try to shoot. No, this is not a good weapon either. I'm just screwing around here. But I should try to... Yep, so far I don't know if I made the level here, but we shall see. Mission complete, alright, good. Thank you. Special bonus 5,000 points. So I must say it's a cool game. Very different from the Amstrad version with this very short stages. Okay, here we go again. I should try to get a better weapon here fast. I mean, the graphic style does its job here. In all its simplicity. I should try to get this better widespread weapon. It deals more damage. No, this is not the weapon I want. But I hope I can deal some damage here. Did I make it? Did I finish it? Visual contact with the enemy, I think so. So now I have to try to get a good weapon here, because I have to fire all these cannons here on the enemy navy. Okay, now I really need some more health here. Wait for a second here. Yes, but it was not so much health. But this was... Oh shit, I'm really close to dying here. Don't think I made it. I have to deal more damage, I think. Let's see. Mission unsuccessful, okay. I should try to be better, get some better weapon. But it's a little bit stressful. Okay, here is another ship here. Let's take out all the cannons here. Okay. Alright, it's okay, this weapon, I think. Now we're talking. I think I made it now. Mission complete. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 5,000 points. Okay, let's see if I can make even more success here. Okay, let's go for a better weapon. Ugh, this is not the weapon I wanted. Screwing around a lot here. That is one. Yes. Now we're talking. But I can do damage with all weapons. One has to learn how to use them. That is the key to the success. And if I hold down the fire button, I can use this rapid fire. It's cool. So now I have to fight the navy again, I think. Commencing attack. Okay. Yeah, this weapon is useless. I have to get the better one here. Come on. Yes. Now we're talking. Now I can deal damage here. So if there is any viewers who... Yes, this is even more powerful, this one I think. Well, I believe. Yeah, if there is any viewers who have any experience with this game, please comment which conversion you think is best and all that. Would be interested to know. I have never played this one on the original arcade, I think. So perhaps I haven't tried it, I don't remember actually. So. Mission complete, yeah, I did it. Round 3 clear. I'm gonna try to beat the 4th as well, and then I'm gonna call it. But we have seen some of the game. Okay, here we go. You may fight bravely, yes. Thank you. Should try my best. I mean, it's a very achievable version. Oh shit, here comes the... Better stay away from them. Shit, I can't reach the power up. No. Now I got a little bit better weapon here. So I can deal some damage. No, I couldn't have... I could really need some health now. Look, I am about to die. And I will not regain anything now. Ooh. Come on, come on, come on. I could need some health or energy or whatever you want to call it. Here it is, perhaps. Yes. No, I didn't get. Come on. Yes, but it was not this very much help. Come on. Ooh, that is not so much health to brag about. Ay caramba. Did I make it? Mission unsuccessful. Okay. Ay. Should I try once again? Let's see if I can deal any damage here. Now we got some badass weapon here. Cool. Oh, this is not a very good weapon. What the hell am I doing? Come on. Game over. Yeah, I screwed up there completely, but never mind. We have seen the game. Few minutes. Yes, I'm gonna say it's a good version. I'm liking it. It's better than the Amstrad. Yeah, I'm gonna say they are equally good actually. Cannot really separate them. They are good, both of them actually. So I'm gonna give this one a 7 out of 10 as well. So there you go, that was 1943 on the Commodore 64. Yeah, cool game, check it out, I recommend it. Have a good one everyone, goodbye.